Say hi. I won't say mine. I mean, yeah, you know what else I'm not.
You're an idiot. Just burp. Just burp.
Wait, I can't.
Just burp.
I can't do it on purpose.
Like, drink some. Whatever that crap is.
It's called,
Do an ad. Just do an ad. It makes you go. Wait, that's total idiot. I'm just hard to back with you. Oh, now you do it.
Yeah.
Burp. Burp. Like, it's easy like this.
It's just your neck and you have a lot of gas in it. You just need to get out. It's just your bag.
I know that. I like my bag. It's like, like you look at one person, then you look at another person.
Okay, delete it. I'll be the cameraman.